Hey friends, good morning and welcome to the vlog. Yay, another vlog. So it is almost 11. I'm sorry if it is too bright, guys, kasi my ring light is on over there. And yeah, today is already October 24. Grabe. Malapit na yung December, guys. October, November, December. 2 months to go. And it will be Christmas soon. Yeah, kasi October 24 na ngayon. And how do you like my earrings? Oh my God. What happened here? Mamaya na yan, guys. So, good morning! How is everybody? Kumusta kayong lahat, guys? So, I'm getting ready because I will be going to the dentist today. Yeah, supposedly it will that will be last Saturday, but since full yung Saturday niya, kaya I need to do an appointment. It was late already that I made an appointment, so it was full, and he scheduled me Wednesday today, which is October 24 at 1. So I'm just getting ready, and I also already, like you can see at the background, gabi. It's so messy. It's so messy. I filmed a get ready with me video kasi it's been a while since I did a get ready with me video. Grabe. And this is the look that I did pala. So I don't know, maybe that will be up. Yeah, that will be up. What am I gonna say? That will be up early before this. So first pala, that will be up first. That will be up first. Ano ba? Oh my God, I cannot talk. That will be up first, and then this vlog, because I usually upload vlogs later than, you know, sit down videos. So I'm so excited to post that one because it's been really a while. I don't know. I could not remember the last time that I did a makeup video. Yeah, I did not do any makeup. I don't know. Yeah, I just don't know. I just don't have the energy because I am not really feeling so well for the past, and I don't know. I wanted to make a video on that, on why am I feeling so tired, and yeah, but there's a reason behind that, guys, but I don't know when am I going to tell you all. Because I'm still thinking on when and how, and I'm still thinking on, you know, the questions para mas easier. So ayan, so I'm just going to put away all this kasi we will be leaving like mga 11:30 because my appointment is 1. So para hindi kami malate, and I don't know if it's traffic, but today is sem break already sa ibang school dito sa Philippines, but here sila Sashi, I don't know if they have sem break or sa Christmas break na ging isa na yung break nila. I don't know. I've been asking them, but they don't know too. So, yun. So, I'm gonna hustle and hurry, and I'm gonna see you later. Okay, guys? So, I'm just going to quickly eat breakfast because I haven't eaten breakfast. And my breakfast today is this one. Oh my God, I cannot bring it up kasi mali yung, yung quick oats from SM Bonus. Yeah. Maganda naman yung nila, guys, yung bonus na oatmeal. Yeah, it's the same with, it stays the same with, if I'm going to compare it with other oatmeal, yung sa I forgot the brand, pero I like this more. Or, I like this more, or magkasing lang. Yeah. Yan. Pumunta dito yung guys, City Health, tapos may vaccine for deworm and vitamins, tapos ayaw ni Maui, ayaw magpa-injection ni Awi, bad kay na si Awi. Uy, si Miguel, nung in-injectionan si Miguel, kawawa naman, naihi si Miguel, guys. Yeah, ganyan talaga si Miguel if he is scared, but si Maui is so maldito, ha? Oh, ang duha si ha? Derera, oy. We are here, guys, and nandito kami sa church ng Redemptorist Church na nakaparking kasi nandun sa kabila yung dentist office.
Ano?
Yan, sa building na yan, tapos doon na sa inside the dentist office. Ayan, si Rocky. So, may 15 minutes pa kasi 1 p.m. yung appointment ko. So, we're just waiting here. Do you wanna watch TV? Guys, we're done for the dentist and we are eating lunch. Yan, ang kasama ko. Dito sa Chowking. Nandito kami sa Canada. Chowking. And we're just waiting for our food. I'm gonna tell you later, guys, what is the update from the dentist, okay? Not here kasi maingay. So, kakain muna kami. It's still early, guys. Hi, sweet. It's 2:45 or mga hindi pa quarter, basta pila man it 20 to 3 and he said that we will go to Ayala daw. Gusto ko pumunta ng Unita pero sa Ayala, kaya sa Daiso na lang ako pupunta kasi I want to buy na eyebrow pencil to kasi wala na akong eyebrow pencil. Sana meron sila kasi last time doon nakabili yung pinsan ko sa Daiso na Ayala, dito sa Ayala. So hopefully meron sila. So we are home and like I've said earlier that we went to the dentist. Oh god, I thought I have a people here. So yun, I thought na kasi may sira ako dito, guys. May feeling yung ipin ko before but it cracked, so natanggal. And then I did not went to the dentist right away kaya lumaki yung butas ng ipin ko. So sabi ng dentist na wala na, hindi, my teeth wala ng pag-asa, so it cannot be saved. At akala ko if you feel lang ulit kasi I have a temporary feeling on my last visit yung last week. My god. And yun nga, he told me na my teeth needs to go. I'm a little scared, guys. I don't know. I haven't remember if I have my teeth naka-pulled before. All I remember is yung dati pa, yung grade 6 yata ako or grade 5 na yung na shaky or yung malapit na yun lang yung binunod na ipin ko. But yung other than that, this is going to be the first time, I guess. I don't know. I could not remember. And I'm a little scared. But he said, wala nang pag-asa. So, there's nothing I can do. And I really need to fix this teeth kasi masakit. And it gives me headache. So, hindi ako nakakatulog. And it makes me cranky. So, I need to fix this teeth. Tooth pala. So, the doctor said na not to eat too hot food or too cold. But bukas to bubunutin na kaya nakain ako. So, we bought this one from Magnolia. This is our favorite flavor, Tabuya Yema. And we already have mine. Here, Gabi, say. What? Kakain ka din? Oh my god. No, that's mine. You already eat yours. No! Bad ka ba?
Murag si Kuan, murag ka
Can I eat my ice cream?
Singan ato, Simon?
No.
Murag si Simon?
Mas sexy pa.
Ah.
Lagi! Imagine mo to, di ba guys? Guys, tang is so muscular na. Do you know, comment below if you know guys tang. Guys, to all the hair besties in the land. No.
Hair ka lang
Hair stylist.